Hello everyone, our team has participated in a hackathon named Level Supermind pre-hackathon, and they had given a objective to us which is like build a basic analytic module using LangFlow and data stacks to analyze engagement data from most social media accounts. Let me show you the application that we have made, and this is our application as you can see, and this is the code of our application. And now let's show you the working model of our application. So let's see. This is the landing page of our application, and this is the hero section. And in this section, we have highlighted the main motive of our application. The main motive of our application is to extract powerful insights with AI-driven precisions, and also seamless integration of LangFlow and OpenAI. This is a call to action button which brings or redirects user to dashboard page, and you can see some glimpse of our dashboard page here. And let's move forward to the main features of our application. And the first feature of our application is insight extraction with LangFlow. LangFlow is the low-code visual builder with pre-built components to connect to any data sources. Our application has used the capabilities of OpenAI to process, analyze, and interpret data. And our application is built on React 19, which is the latest version of React, and also use latest version of Tailwind CSS and fully customizable workflows. Adapt the system to your unique needs means it can adapt according to the business needs and the organization needs. And also it is free and open source. And this is the next section. We are ready to help. And also some more section is there. This is the dashboard of our application. And you can see the analytics from here and also the graph representing the current trends and all engagement types. And you can see the total engagement of a post, average reach, and the average engagement rate from here. And also you can select the post type from here. Now all is selected, and you can see that the everything is representing for all the posts created by an user, and you can see from here. And you can toggle it from here like likes, shares, and comments. This is the bar graph representing the engagement by post types, and here you can see the carousel, and you can toggle it from here like how many likes, comments, and shares it has. And the total of 3 is 717 for carousels, and for static images like 685, and reels it has like 980. And also you can toggle it from here, and we have a small menu bar to download the svg of this graph, and also we can download it in png and also csv. And also you can see the trends of our post when our post has got highest reach, and you can see that on 10th December 2024 it has the highest reach of 4745 accounts or peoples. And also we can select here from like for a specific post like carousel, and you can see for a specific post types here. And on going downward you can see here also by a pie chart. And also you can select from here static images, reels, and all. And we have a specific section for our insights. This is the insight section of our application, and users or businesses can get the insights of all their post types and all. And here you can see that the all is selected, and you can see that based on the current data for all post types, the average engagement rate is 57.83%. And some more points is defined, but let's see a specific like carousel. And this is the insights for carousel, and like for reels. And the interesting part of our application is the next part, which is the chatbot. This is not a simple chatbot, this is an AI chatbot, and this is connected to LangFlow, and also it is connected to a database called AstraDB, and all the post data is stored in AstraDB. And we can write a prompt from here or just ask an AI about the insights of our data.
So let's start with backend. So first let me walk you through our file integration workflow. The process begins with the file node. Here user can upload files such as PDF, CSV, or any text-based document. The node ensures the file is ready for further processing by the passing the data to the next step. The uploaded file is then processed by the split text node, which breaks the content into smaller chunks. The parameters used here include chunk size and chunk overlap. The smaller chunks makes it easier for the database to store and retrieve meaningful pieces of information. Next, the AstraDB node handles the vectorization and storage of the text chunks. Each chunk is embedded using the model like Astra Vectorize or NVIDIA Embed QA to convert them into a vector format. Embedding data is then stored in the selected database and collection. Once the data is stored, is ready to be retrieved. This allows the system to efficiently fetch relevant information when queried by other workflow, like our main workflow. So then let's understand our main workflow. The journey starts with the chat input node where user can type their queries. The node collects the input text and forward it to next step for processing. The input is passed to the prompt node, which generates structured and prompt template. This template includes dynamic variable like engagement matrix and post type to tailor the chatbot response to the user needs. The process input is sent to the AstraDB node, which serves as our vector database. The node uses the user query to search for relevant data in the database. If new data is needed, it gets embedded into a database using model like Astra Vectorize and so on. So these steps ensure the chatbot has access to accurate and up-to-date information. Once data is retrieved, it moves the past data node, which convert the raw database output into a plain text format on a specified template. And now the past data and user input are sent to the Grok AI node. Using Grok AI model, the node generate a response based on the input and retrieved data. You can adjust a parameter like temperature to control the creativity of the response. Finally, the response is sent to the chat output node, where it's displayed to the user in a clear and user-friendly format. This completes the chatbot interaction cycle. And we have also playground feature where we can test our entire workflow. If you can see, here is the past workflow that we are just run. Let me show you how it's work. Finally, our explanation is completed. Thank you for watching this video.